Hello. Welcome to a crash course on Java Part 2. This course has been created by Jaysmito Mukherjee, and the voice is of Microsoft David Desktop English, United States. As already mentioned in the previous video, in this video I am going to tell you about history of Java as well as about features of Java. Please subscribe to the channel for more free courses like this, and like and share this video as sharing knowledge is great. Now first let's check the history of Java. By the way, stay tuned till the end for proper learning. So, what set the stage for Java? So, the answer to that is by the end of the 1980s and the early 1990s, object-oriented programming using C++ took hold. Indeed, for a brief moment it seemed as if programmers had finally found the perfect language. Because C++ blended the high efficiency and stylistic elements of C with the object-oriented paradigm, it was a language that could be used to create a wide range of programs. However, just as in the past, forces were brewing that would, once again, drive computer language evolution forward. Within a few years, the World Wide Web and the Internet would reach critical mass. This event led a revolution in programming. So, before knowing about Java or its history, let's see who are the ones who created Java. So, some of the developers and the ones who contributed in developing Java are James Arthur Gosling, Patrick Naughton, Chris Worth, Ed Frank, Mike Sheridan, Bill Joy Arthur, Van Hoff, Jonathan Payne, Frank Yellen, Tim Lindholm. Now you may ask, when and where was Java created? So, Java was created at Sun Microsystems Incorporation in 1991. Like to check out other parts of this course, please click the link in the top right corner to check the contents of this course. Now let's come back to the topic. Why developing Java became very necessary. So, Java was necessary at that time, that is 1980s to 1990s, because at that time the object-oriented paradigm became popular, and due to its features it could be said that it was an evolution in computer programming. The then object-oriented programming language was C++, which was very popular. But it failed to serve some of the necessities, and it also failed to do the tasks that were demanded of it. So now development of a new programming language, leaving behind all the problems with C++, became necessary. Also, with the advancement of the WWW or World Wide Web, it became necessary to develop a language to develop websites which are user-friendly as well as can guarantee a high level of security. And it was the same time that Bill Joy, an American computer scientist, thought about creating a new programming language by combining the best features of the languages of that time with the object-oriented paradigm. Now, let's check about Java and its features. So first, the features of Java. Number 1, platform independent. So this means that Java programs can be written and executed in any computer having any hardware, any operating system, provided that JVM or Java Virtual Machine is installed in that computer. For example, the code written in Windows-based computer can be edited or executed on a Linux-based computer. Number 2, small and lightweight code. The Java programs are simple and small because of the vast number of pre-built Java library classes are ready to be incorporated in the programs to reduce the length of the program. Number 3, security. As we already learned, Java was designed keeping security in mind. Java was equipped with multiple layers of security countermeasures embedded in the compiler, runtime system, and in browsers that supported Java. Number 4, Java's graphics. Java supports creating of GUI or graphics user interface easily with small piece of code by using its AWT and Swing libraries. Number 5, Java is an object-oriented programming language. The most important feature of Java was its being an object-oriented programming language, as it is in high demand. Number 6, Java is free to use. Java is an open product. This means that anyone could use Java for free. Number 7, web support. One of the main use of Java is in making secure and user-friendly client-side web applications called applets, as well as server-side web apps called servlets. Number 8, Java is a multi-threaded programming language. Java was designed to meet the real-world requirement of creating interactive, networked programs. To accomplish this, Java supports multi-threaded programming, which allows you to write programs that do many things simultaneously. Number 9, architecture neutral. A central issue for the Java designers was that of code longevity and portability. One of the main problems facing programmers is that no guarantee exists that if you write a program today, it will run tomorrow even on the same machine. Operating system upgrades, processor upgrades, and changes in core system resources can all combine to make a program malfunction. Now, last but not the least, number 10, distributed. Java is designed for the distributed environment of the Internet because it handles TCP/IP protocols. In fact, accessing a resource using a URL is not much different from accessing a file. Java also supports remote method invocation, or RMI. This feature enables a program to invoke methods across a network. So, after the long list of features of Java, let's check the 4 types of Java programs. First on this list we have applets. An applet is a special kind of Java program that is designed to be transmitted over the Internet and automatically executed by a Java-compatible web browser. Furthermore, an applet is downloaded on demand, without further interaction with the user. If the user clicks a link that contains an applet, the applet will be automatically downloaded and run in the browser. Applets are intended to be small programs. They are typically used to display data provided by the server, handle user input, or provide simple functions, such as a loan calculator, that execute locally, rather than on the server. In essence, the applet allows some functionality to be moved from the server to the client. Coming second on the list of types of Java programs is Java application. An application is a standalone program that runs on a client or server. It does not depend upon anything else other than JVM, or Java Virtual Machine. An application program developed in Java can be written and compiled and then can be executed on any computer provided that JVM, or Java Virtual Machine, is installed in that computer. It does not depend upon the underlying software or hardware, but can access the system's resources. Then on our list we have Enterprise Java Beans. Enterprise Java Beans, or EJB, is the server-side and platform-independent Java Application Programming Interface (API) for Java Platform, Enterprise Edition, or Java EE. EJB is used to simplify the development of large distributed applications. The EJB container handles transaction management and security authorization, allowing a Bean developer to concentrate on business issues. Additionally, a client developer can concentrate on the presentation layer without focusing on the EJB business logic. This allows for a thinner client, which is beneficial for small devices running a distributed application. Lastly, there is Servlet. A servlet is a small program that executes on the server. Just as applets dynamically extend the functionality of a web browser, servlets dynamically extend the functionality of a web server. Thus, with the advent of the servlet, Java spanned both sides of the client/server connection. Servlets are used to create dynamically generated content that is then served to the client. For example, an online store might use a survey to look up the price for an item in a database. The price information is then used to dynamically generate a web page that is sent to the browser. Although dynamically generated content is available through mechanisms such as CGI or Common Gateway Interface, the survey offers several advantages, including increased performance. Now an important announcement. The upcoming video will be on working of Java. It will include compilation process of Java, and many more important things. So please stay updated on this course and never miss a video, otherwise you will face confusions. If you Java any doubt, feel free to ask it in the comments sections, you will be surely answered within a day. Please subscribe to the channel for all updates on this course. If you have any problems with this course, please write in the comments section. Like this video, and if you feel something is wrong, feel free to write in the comments and dislike the video. Thank you for watching this video.